Running a WordPress site isn't really that hard, but growing one is. But what if WordPress had its own built-in AI marketing agency that did all the heavy lifting for you? Well, that is where OpenClaw comes in. In this video, I will show you how to use OpenClaw to optimize 5 essential marketing tasks for your WordPress website and also how to set it all up. So OpenClaw is a viral AI agent framework that doesn't just talk back like, ChatGPT would. You give it a goal and it actually goes off and gets the work done. And it even runs in the background on its own server. So if you want the full breakdown on this, of how it works and why everyone's really talking about it, definitely make sure to check out our other video where we dive way deeper into it. Okay, but now, which marketing tasks can OpenClaw actually handle on your WordPress site? Let's talk about it. Now, let's start with one of the biggest marketing challenges that kills most WordPress sites, which is creating content inconsistently. So basically, website traffic comes from content, but creating it, well, takes time. And most website owners end up publishing in bursts and then go quiet for weeks. And that makes it hard to grow a really loyal audience. But with OpenClaw connected to WordPress, you can just prompt it with a goal, and then it can generate blog post ideas based on what your audience is actually searching for. Also, it can draft up structured articles with proper headings and even prepare content that's already optimized for SEO. And it doesn't just write new content. OpenClaw can go back through your already existing posts and improve them too, with way better readability, stronger keywords, updated sections, and also more compelling headlines. Plus, this is super useful, but it can schedule everything for you. So instead of publishing whenever you remember, your blog runs on a very consistent cadence. And that consistency alone can completely change how your site performs. Okay, now next there's SEO, which for most WordPress sites, you really just need the basics done, right? But OpenClaw can analyze your website pages and suggest specific improvements like better titles, cleaner meta descriptions, internal links between related posts, and just a way stronger structure. And so you're not just guessing what to fix, but getting edits tied to content that already exists on your website. Now, third, we have promoting and distributing your content. This is actually one of my favorite things that you can do with OpenClaw, because creating content isn't enough anymore. You need to distribute it across different channels. One blog post, for example, can turn into a LinkedIn update, an email draft, or multiple social media captions, or even a summary for your homepage. And OpenClaw handles all of that for you, turning long content into shorter formats without you actually having to do it manually every single time. And that's how small WordPress websites compete. Not by doing more work, but by getting more out of the work they have already done. Now, next, community management and admin tasks. Now, if you have comments or any sort of community interaction enabled on your website, that's another layer of work that you need to manage yourself manually. Well, OpenClaw can help you with that as well. By moderating comments, filtering spam, and handling repetitive backend tasks so you can get some time back and focus on the work that actually moves things forward. And finally, I want to talk about maintenance. I think it's fair to say that maintenance isn't the most exciting part of running a website, but ignoring it is exactly what can break a website. Now, plugins need updates. Themes get patches, and if you've run a WordPress website long enough, you have probably spent hours troubleshooting a compatibility issue. But OpenClaw, once again, can take care of that routine maintenance for you. So instead of checking your dashboard every single week and crossing your fingers that nothing really broke, you have a system consistently watching and managing it for you. All right, so now you know what a great marketing ally ally OpenClaw can actually be, but let me show you how to connect it to your WordPress website, and it's pretty straightforward. All right, so the first thing you will need is a virtual private server, or VPS for short, which is basically like renting a small computer on the internet that stays on 24/7. Now, the VPS runs OpenClaw, while your WordPress hosting runs your website. So basically, you can just start by choosing a hosting or VPS plan from the link down below, and also do not forget to use the coupon code on the screen right here to get 10% off. Once you've done that, you can just deploy it and connect the AI model you want OpenClaw to actually use. For example, let's say Gemini here, and just enter the API key for it. Now, once it's running, you can open the OpenClaw web interface in your browser, just like I'm doing here, as you can see, and just authenticate using the token from your installation. Now, next, in the chat section, ask OpenClaw to install the WordPress agent skill from GitHub. And I've left the link for this in the description down below, so make sure to check it out. Now, then add your WordPress website URL, and this step is done. Then OpenClaw will guide you through connecting to your WordPress site using your username and an application password, which you can generate from your WordPress profile settings, basically. And that's pretty much it, guys. Once the connection is all established, OpenClaw can start interacting with your WordPress website. And if you want a bit of a more detailed walkthrough, definitely check out the link in the description down below. And also make sure to drop us a comment below with any questions you have, and we will make sure to answer them. But now you can finally stop manual marketing tasks and direct them to OpenClaw, so it takes care of them for you. And OpenClaw is not replacing you, just helping you close the gap between having a WordPress website and running one that actually grows. And if you guys want a deeper dive into the setup or any of the content workflows that I went through before, just drop me a comment down below once again, and I will make sure to do that video for you. And in the meantime, make sure to check out our other OpenClaw VPS videos on the channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more really helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.